If you've ever thought about getting funded trading futures, but felt overwhelmed, confused, or scared you messed it up before you even got started, this video is for you. Most traders don't fail funded challenges because of strategy. They fail because they don't understand the rules, they rush the process, or they trade emotionally under pressure. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step. From buying your first challenge, to placing your first trades, to passing your evaluation, and finally, requesting your first payout. No hype, no shortcuts. Just a real process explained simply. If you're new here, my name is Bree, and I'm documenting my real journey trading funded futures accounts, including the mistakes, the psychology, and the lessons most people don't talk about. This isn't a get-rich-quick video. This is a how to do it correctly video. So if your goal is to actually get funded and stay funded, let's start at the beginning. First, let's clear up what getting funded actually means. When you trade with a prop firm like My Funded Futures, you're not depositing tens of thousands of dollars of your own money. Instead, you're trading a simulated account to show that you can follow rules and manage risk. If you perform well and stay within the rules, you earn the right to trade a funded account and keep a percentage of the profits. The firm isn't paying you for big wins. They're paying you for discipline. That's important to understand early because this isn't about being aggressive. It's about being consistent. There are a lot of prop firms out there, but this guide is based on My Funded Futures because they're futures focused and rules driven. The rules are clearly defined, the structure is straightforward, and they reward traders who can stay disciplined over time. No matter which firm you choose, the process that you're about to learn still applies. But understanding the exact rules of the firm that you're trading on is critical. Before we get into the steps, drop a comment down below. Let me know, have you already tried a prop firm challenge, or is this your first time looking into it? I want to know where you're starting from. This is where most traders mess up before they even place a trade. Bigger accounts look tempting, but bigger is not better. A larger account usually comes with larger position limits, larger drawdown, and more emotional pressure. If you're new, the goal is survivability, not speed. Choose the smallest account size that allows you to trade your setup comfortably without feeling stressed about every single tick. Your account size should match your experience, not your ego. If you only remember one thing from this video, remember this: the rules matter more than the strategy. Let's break them down in plain language. This is the amount that you need to make to pass the challenge. The biggest mistake traders make here is trying to hit this as fast as possible. Rushing leads to overtrading, oversizing, and emotional decisions. Slow progress is safer progress. This is the total amount you're allowed to lose before the account fails. Some drawdowns trail your balance, meaning as your account grows, the drawdown moves with it. This is why holding losers and hoping is one of the fastest way to fail. Some firms want to see steady performance, not one massive day followed by chaos. This exists to prevent gambling behavior. Translation, they want to fund traders they can trust. Okay, this next part is where I see traders get tripped up even after they've done everything right. So stay with me, because what I'm about to say could be the difference between passing and starting over. Once your account is live, your goal is to not pass quickly. Your goal is to trade cleanly. That means small position size, 1 to 2 trades per day, 1 setup per day. You're proving you can follow rules, you can manage risk, you can stop when needed. Most traders don't fail because of bad trades. They fail because they trade too much. The safest way to pass a challenge is to think in daily goals, not totals. Instead of saying I need to make X dollars, say I need to trade well today. Set a daily profit target, a daily max loss, a max number of trades. If you hit your goal, stop trading. If you hit your loss limit, stop trading. The account doesn't care how fast you pass. It only cares that you passed. Once you pass the challenge, you transition to a funded account. This is where many traders get careless. They celebrate too early, they size up too fast, they loosen their rules. Passing isn't the win. Getting paid is the win. Treat the funded account with more respect in the evaluation. When you're funded, everything matters more. Your goal now is to protect the account. Trade smaller than you think. Stay consistent. Funded accounts don't usually blow up dramatically. They die quietly, one rule break at a time. Stay boring. Boring gets paid. Once you're eligible for a payout, the process is straightforward. You request it through the firm, they review your account, and if all rules were followed, you get paid. My advice, don't rush your first payout. Focus on staying funded, not just cashing out one time. Longevity beats urgency. Getting funded trading futures is not as complicated as people make it, but it does require patience, discipline, and respect for the rules. If you can master that, the strategy becomes secondary. I'm documenting my real funded journey, wins, losses, and mistakes included. If you want to see what that actually looks like in real time, subscribe so you don't repeat the mistakes that end most funded accounts early.